104.7 Trijaya FM Surabaya, The Real News and Information. Halo, selamat sore pendengar Trijaya, apa kabar Anda hari ini? Sore yang sedikit mendung ya, tapi saya yakin Anda masih terus bersemangat, apalagi kalau banyak tugas-tugas yang harus Anda selesaikan sore ini. Gak bisa dong mager-mageran, ya kan? Harus tetap semangat. Begitu juga dengan saya, Wina Alifa, tetap bersemangat sekarang ini, apalagi sekarang sudah bisa bersama Anda kembali di Trijaya Menyapa. Dan ada yang spesial sore hari ini pendengar Trijaya, karena saya nggak sendirian. Sampai jam 4 nanti kita akan ngobrol-ngobrol dengan teman-teman yang sudah hadir di studio dari Colex Asia, dari Ticket to You. Nah, kita akan ngobrol banyak nih ya sampai jam 4 nanti. Apa itu Ticket to You? Pastinya ada kaitannya sama tiket dong ya. Apakah ini tepatnya kita bisa dapetin tiket-tiket gratis untuk konser dan event yang keren-keren? Atau ada yang lebih seru lagi selain itu? Itu nanti akan kita obrolkan ya. Dan saya mengajak Anda ikut ngobrol di sini, tanya-tanya langsung ke narasumbernya. Anda bisa telepon ke 99241047 atau bisa juga lewat WhatsApp kirim pertanyaannya di 0811 335 1047. Dan yang istimewa sore ini adalah karena talkshow-nya nanti dua bahasa ya. Jadi bahasa Indonesia campur-campur bahasa Inggris. Karena narasumber kita yang ganteng-ganteng ini dari Malaysia dan mereka tentunya akan lebih familiar, lebih mudah kalau menjelaskan berbagai hal di talkshow ini lewat bahasa Inggris. Langsung saja saya sapa narasumber yang sudah hadir sore hari ini. Hi guys, give me some noise.
Hello.
Hi, Wina.
Hi. How are you? Thank you for coming to our studio.
Great.
Thank
Great,
you.
thank you.
Now, first of all, I would like to ask you to introduce yourself to listeners and also your position in Colex and also in your position in Ticket to You. Yeah, start from Alan.
Hi, afternoon. My name is Alan. I'm a co-founder of Colex. Colex is a technology company, technology consultant company. So we are helping clients to digitalize their business process and business visualization. In Indonesia, we carry some of the latest technology from Singapore and Malaysia and promote in Indonesia market.
Yes. And sitting next to Alan is
Hi,
YC.
I'm YC. Hi, I'm the founder of Ticket to You. Okay, so Ticket to You.
Ticket to You.
All right.
But now I would like to continue to ask Edward to introduce himself.
Hi, my name is Edward. I'm from Ticket to Malaysia. I'm the event director, so also co-founder for the Mr. YC chair.
Okay,
Right.
Mr. YC.
Yes.
Dan satu-satunya nih, bukan yang paling cantik sih, soalnya saya juga perempuan ya. Silahkan memperkenalkan diri.
Halo pendengar Trijaya, saya dengan Varia dari Colex Asia sebagai account manager di sini. Thank you Mbak Wina.
Kabarnya? Sama-sama.
Kabar baik.
Kabar baik ya. Now, opening our talk show today, I would like to know about what is Ticket to You, since the name is so catchy. Ticket to You. I'm very curious to know more about Ticket to You. Who will explain about Ticket to You?
Ticket.
Edward.
When your name is a ticket. My name is
Yes.
ticket. Ticket
Yes.
meanings like you purchase a ticket. Go to
Right.
any concert, go to any festival,
Yeah.
even you go to the conference,
Right.
exhibition. Also need a ticket.
A ticket.
That's why we call it Ticket to You.
Ticket to You. Okay, since when was the first time Ticket to You?
We established in Malaysia is 2017.
2017.
Yes, in Malaysia is so since establishment, then we expanded to like currently we're entering in the
Yes.
market like Indonesia, and then we are entering to the Singapore. So from the client have been choosing it because of the services of the product services we have, which is I think is very important. Regardless how many features you have, but in the end the services
Yes.
is very important.
What was the idea so you build a Ticket to You? I mean, the event industry or event management that become more complicated, so you provide easier way regarding about the ticket or the participants who will join the event, something like that?
We provide the service, like for example, most before, because we realize that in the market a lot of people using a manual, like for example,
Yes.
Vina, I need to use a long ruler or from the Excel sheet to searching Vina www. Oh, this is
Yeah,
the
yeah,
Vina.
yeah, yeah.
It's kind of hassle. So right now we try to be whoever with the QR code just come and scan as a check-in. And as well as very important currently with the latest technology, which is the facial check-in. They just upload your face, just in-bus. We call it in-bus. Just
yeah,
scan
yeah,
your
yeah.
face immediately. You'll be able to check in. No duplication unless they're using your photo to check in. So we try to avoid the duplication.
Yeah, right.
Right.
So dengan adanya Ticket to You ini berarti nggak ada calo lagi ya? What you call it calo in bahasa Inggris? I don't know. Calo.
Broker.
Broker,
Ticket
ya, illegal
broker,
broker,
yeah, illegal broker
legal
to
ticket
sell
broker. We can avoid the
Yes, yes,
the illegal ticket
When we
broker,
do,
right?
for example, when we do concerts, there's
Yeah,
a
yeah,
lot
yeah.
of we call it ulat ticket.
Ulat
There's
tiket.
Ulat ticket.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there's a lot of this happen when we are at the
Cheating
check-in
person.
counter. When we it's the 10,000 people on
Yeah.
the concert. So how do we
Avoid the
solve
problem.
this problem? That is where we are there to solve all these
Yeah.
problems.
Because it still happens in Indonesia when there are a big event. Some ulat ticket or calo is they are, I don't know, they try to grab the audience or the people, so they
Yeah.
will buy the ticket from them.
But now when they saw we are the one who's selling the tickets and doing the check-ins, so there's no way they can do it.
Yeah, that's right. And when was the first time Ticket to You build the business in Indonesia?
Yep.
Maybe L or
Maria boleh, Alan boleh.
Oh ya, actually Ticket to You sudah ada tuh sejak tahun 2019 ya. Ketika itu kan
Yeah.
kolaborasi sama PT Kolaboratif Excellence Indonesia atau Kolex.
Kolex. Nanti
Ya.
tentang Kolex dijelaskan sama
Ya,
Ellen ya.
boleh. Nanti dengan Mr. Ellen
Yeah.
will explain more. Jadi untuk Ticket to You sendiri udah mulai masuk ke Indonesia tuh tahun 2019 ya pada
Yeah.
waktu itu. Jadi before pandemic actually. Gitu. 1 year before
Yeah.
pandemic. But sadly and then the
Yeah.
pandemic comes. Nah, tapi kita sudah menggelar beberapa event Mbak di sana. Jadi memang di sini dari Kolex sendiri berkolaborasi dengan Ticket to You
Yeah.
karena kami melihat bahwa ada potensi pasar yang cukup besar ya di Indonesia. Karena selain jumlah penduduknya banyak, luas wilayahnya juga lumayan besar kan kalau di
Betul.
Indonesia.
Yeah.
Kemudian juga kondisi ekonomi udah mulai membaik apalagi udah pasca pandemi seperti saat ini kan. Udah banyak mulai event-event digelar kan saat ini. Nah, itu akhirnya jadi sesuatu yang buat kita trigger semakin semangat dan optimis untuk mengembangkan potensi pasar untuk event management system
Yeah,
ini di
yeah.
Indonesia. Seperti itu Mbak Wina.
Okay,
Yeah.
baik. Before we talk further about Ticket to You, I would like to know about Kolex and what kind of relationship between Kolex and Ticket to You, Ellen.
Oh, okay. We are the representative of Ticket to You in Indonesia.
Yeah.
So we are so proud to have a partner with Ticket to You because Ticket to You is a pioneering ticketing system in Malaysia.
Right.
We using all the latest technology with the contactless from
Yeah,
the registration until to the check-in system. And we are so proud to collaborate with Ticket to You to promote this latest technology to Indonesia market.
Yes. Okay. And I heard that Ticket to You is very popular in Malaysia. What kind
Yes.
of events held by Ticket to You? YC or Edward?
Yes, we are quite sure that we are the largest in Malaysia because we have hosted more than 19,000 events in Malaysia.
Yes.
And we have a lot of concerts, seminars, exhibitions,
Yes.
events, business
Sport events,
events.
yeah.
Also, we also provide theme park management system for many theme parks. For example, like some big brands theme parks.
Oh,
Actually, they
okay.
are using our facial recognition system for theme parks, from buying tickets to entering the theme parks until purchase the photos, and almost the whole thing that save money, save process, and yeah, and also many of the zoo in Malaysia also using our exclusive theme park system as well.
Expanding the business in Indonesia, Ellen, what is the challenge for Kolex in collaboration with Ticket to You?
The challenge to collaborate with, there's no challenge, but the challenge is how we're going to promote this technology to Indonesia market to be one of the most popular ticketing system in Indonesia.
Okay. Is Ticket to You the first one in this business? I mean, I never heard before about services or product like Ticket to You provide or over to the people.
For facial recognition check-in, we are the first in Malaysia.
Yeah.
We are the only one who provide this in Malaysia.
In Indonesia, is it the first time? Is it the first one in Indonesia?
I'm not sure. I
believe we're the first one in Indonesia.
Iya.
Oke, jadi
Sepertinya
pertama ya.
begitu. Ya,
Varia
sepertinya
ya.
begitu sih, Mbak Wina. Jadi ada beberapa kompetitor yang kami survei. Sepertinya Ticket to You memang the first one platform event management system yang menggunakan face recognition check-in di Indonesia.
Wow, you must be proud of it, guys.
Ya, jadi salah satu additional value kita gitu ya.
Iya. Tapi sekaligus juga tantangan ya.
Ya, betul.
Yeah, it's also benefit, but the other hand is also the challenge.
Mengenalkan experience-nya gitu kan.
Introducing the
Seperti itu.
technology like the Ticket to You using for the people. Oke, ini baru segmen pertama kita pendengar Trijaya. Kita break dulu dan silakan yang mau tanya-tanya ya, WhatsApp boleh di 0811 335 1047. Oh, we already have one questions in WhatsApp, but we will take a break for a while dan setelah ini kita kembali lagi ya, masih bersama Ticket to You. 104.7 Trijaya FM Surabaya, The Real News and Information. Kita lanjut lagi ya pendengar Trijaya, ngobrol-ngobrol masih bersama Ticket to You. Yang sudah ngirim pertanyaannya lewat WhatsApp, terima kasih. Sabar dulu, setelah ini akan dijawab pertanyaannya. Yang belum tanya, ayo silakan, gak usah ragu-ragu ya. Nggak pakai bahasa Inggris nggak apa-apa kok. Pakai bahasa Indonesia juga boleh. Tanyanya silakan, bisa di WhatsApp atau di telepon. Silakan, saya tunggu sampai sekarang. Dan waktunya juga masih panjang. And guys, I believe listeners would like to know about the product and services provided by Ticket to You. What are they? YC or Edward?
The product we currently provide like a QR check-in,
QR
facial,
Okay.
A platform for the people, to purchase a ticket. And even like digital lucky drop we also have.
Oh, lucky
So
draw?
meaning the saying that you name it, we try to accommodate whatever the services in digital way. We try to accommodate for each event.
I see.
Right. So it's like, I mean, we need to understand your product, then we can give you all the services we have in the digital way. And everything is all like QR code and then QR code and the facial check-in, this kind of thing. Right.
Iya. Jadi banyak ya
Iya,
yang
betul.
bisa di support sama Ticket to You
Ya,
ini ya.
betul sekali Mbak Wina. Jadi banyak macamnya. Jadi fitur layanan dari Ticket to You. Jadi ada sistem ticketing, dan juga ada owner registration, ada event check-in gitu ya. Dan
Sampai
event check-in
pengundian
ini
door prize juga ya.
ada. Jadi event check-in pun juga ada dua kan. Ada QR scan, ada face recognition. Lalu kita juga ada fitur untuk seating chart. Lalu lucky draw system dan many more ya.
Lengkap
Banyak. Jadi sebenarnya gini Mbak Wina, kita ini boleh dibilang one stop solution. Misalnya klien butuh apa gitu ya, kita bisa mengakomodir, menyesuaikan dengan kebutuhan event. Artinya kalau khusus untuk di Indonesia sendiri, kita juga tidak hanya sekedar untuk memberikan service seperti event check-in aja, tapi kita juga bantu mereka untuk promote event mereka. Kita bisa support untuk
one stop
itu.
solution.
Jadi kayak one stop solution lah, ibaratnya seperti itu.
Is it just for a huge event, huge concert, or sometimes when customers would like to have a private event?
Regardless
is it
how
possible?
regardless how small, how big, even the private or public, we can assist you.
Wow.
Only the thing that you have to let us know your requirements. For example, the last time I also did before the private event for the facial check-in, maybe you want to share?
Gimana tuh?
Jadi ada beberapa permintaan mungkin dari klien ya, request pengen di embed sama websitenya, kita bisa juga akomodir untuk itu. Jadi registrasi melalui website mereka, langsung nyambung, dapat e-tiketnya via email, ya bisa berupa QR scan atau face recognition. Jadi kalau prosesnya gini Mbak Ina, kalau untuk QR scan, jadi mereka register, kemudian mereka terima e-tiket via email, ya, ada QR code di dalamnya, dan ketika pada saat hari H akan check-in ke
Yeah.
area venue, mereka tinggal tunjukin etiketnya yang ada QR-nya, tinggal scan aja, udah selesai, cepat langsung masuk, scan to go,
Yeah.
misalnya kayak gitu.
Oh.
Nah, kalau untuk yang face recognition, mereka setelah registrasi, terima email, jadi terima e-tiket,
Yeah.
yang di dalamnya ada fitur untuk bisa upload foto mereka. Jadi bisa selfie foto atau
Okay.
take your photo from
Yeah.
the gallery smartphone. Jadi bisa ambil foto mereka dari file galeri mereka.
Mhm.
Udah upload foto selesai. Ketika pada saat hari H event mereka datang, ya pada saat mau check-in ke venue event,
Aha.
mereka tinggal aja datang.
Oh.
Tunjukin aja, kita scan face mereka.
Aha.
Udah nggak sampai 2 detik udah selesai.
Gak khawatir tiketnya hilang atau
Enggak.
dicuri.
Betul. Jadi
Iya.
so simple like that. Jadi
Benar-benar.
para event organizer nggak repot juga ya, nggak perlu melakukan registrasi
Iya,
manual,
iya.
terus ada long queue segala macam, nggak perlu,
Oke.
iya kan? Nah, sementara juga di sisi lain peserta eventnya gampang,
Nyaman,
tinggal datang aja
nggak
kan,
pakai
tinggal
ngantri
datang,
panjang.
tinggal scan face,
Iya.
udah selesai
Oke.
masuk, nggak perlu bawa apapun. Jadi teknologi memang membantu
Bawa
sekali.
gadget atau smartphone-nya aja.
Itu
kan?
kalau yang QR ya,
Oh, iya.
QR harus bawa etiket kan yang.
Kalau yang face
bikin-
recognition, you
Nggak
just have to
perlu.
bring your face, right?
Yeah.
Alright, that's
Don't forget to
right.
bring your face.
If you really want to duplicate, use a picture and scan then to duplicate your face. Correct.
Ya bisa,
Iya.
seperti itu bisa.
And now these are the questions from listeners. We have a questions from no name, and the question is, what's the difference between Ticket to You from other services? Is Ticket to You give more discount if we buy concert ticket or race MotoGP in Spa? Because Indonesian
in
people
Spa.
love to have a discount or even free tickets. What do you think?
Yeah, what's the difference?
Free tickets, of course, this actually it depends on the event organizers.
Yeah,
actually,
yeah,
not by
yeah,
us.
yeah.
We are just the platform
Yeah.
providers.
It's not the authority of,
Yeah,
of
and
Ticket
the-
to You.
The benefit that using us, of course, is because we are very convenient. Of course, when things become very convenient, means you
Yeah.
save your time. Actually,
Right.
time is money,
Yeah, yeah.
and yeah, you don't need to queue long. You don't need to queue for concert ticket the whole night, right?
Right.
And you come. We can immediately print your wristband, your
Yeah.
badges, or your concert tickets instantly on the events day.
The first question is, what the difference between Ticket to You and other services or other platforms?
If compared to other platform, we could say that facial recognition, we proudly say that perhaps we might be the only one who having this technology that easily, instantly, I can put on your event within minutes. Instantly, we can live it.
Oke, ya itu ya perbedaannya ini. Pokoknya teknologinya udah paling canggih kalau punyanya Ticket to You ya. Thank you. And next question is from Devian. Is Ticket to You arrange kini balon tiket entering pass? Ini hebat loh yang tanya pakai bahasa Inggris ya. Padahal it's okay guys. Kalau Anda nanya bahasa Indonesia enggak apa-apa. Nanti kita juga terjemahin ke bahasa Inggris. Is Ticket to You arrange kini balon tiket entering pass? Kini Balu Theme Park.
Kino.
Is it supported by Ticket to You?
Sadly, Kinabalu Theme Park is not handled by us, but we have many others parks like Kizania,
Di sana ya, oke.
like Escapes, Zoo Negara. We
Yeah.
have more than 30 theme parks actually using our exclusive theme park ticketing systems, the whole
Yeah.
systems. More than 30, and like if you go to Langkawi or any others area in Malaysia, yes, actually you can easily found all these
Yeah,
tickets
yeah.
in Ticket to You.
Are you going to say that most of the theme park in Malaysia supported by Ticket to You?
Most of the large theme
Yes,
park.
correct.
Wah, hebat
So
ya.
meaning to saying that when the next time you bought a ticket, fly to KL, just come and search for ticket to purchase your theme park for the more discount.
Wow,
And
ini
you
yang
can try-
tadi suka diskon ya.
Yeah.
And try our facial recognition.
Yes.
This
No,
is a Colex objective to promote this ticket to
Yeah,
you
yeah,
in
yeah.
Indonesia.
Yeah. So next time might be the ticket to you Indonesia. We also have a discount, but we try to negotiate, get the better
Wah,
discount, so the
see.
audience can get the discount. You know.
Because we
Cool.
Must
help
be
the
like that.
organizer
Yeah, yeah.
to lower down their investment cost.
Right.
So to lower down the investment cost, then the organizer will reward all these free to the user lah.
Yeah.
Sure.
We managed to help them to reduce the investment cost lah. So when this additional credit, they can reward back to their audience.
Nah, jadi gitu ya Varia, nggak
Iya,
cuman
betul.
gampang, canggih, tapi juga kalau emang dikasih diskon kita kasih kok diskonnya gitu
Iya.
ya.
Dan yang pasti memang kita lebih mengutamakan bagaimana
Mm-mm.
para warga di Indonesia tuh bisa merasakan experience-nya untuk nyoba teknologinya Ticket to You,
Iya, iya.
Mbak Wina. Karena memang tadi yang sudah dijelaskan sama YC dan juga Edward, itu kan teknologi facial recognition yang sementara ini masih ada di Ticket to You saja.
Mm-mm.
Ya.
Baik.
Other platform sepertinya masih belum,
Belum.
masih pakai QR biasa. Nah, tapi
Oh.
dari situ kita inginnya sih sebenarnya begini ya. Jadi saat ini kan kami masih mencoba tuh berkolaborasi dengan beberapa pihak.
Iya.
Jadi bisa event organizer,
Mm-mm.
media,
Iya.
untuk promote our surface
Iya.
untuk mereka tuh bisa merasakan experience-nya,
Iya, iya.
merasakan teknologinya Ticket to You,
Aha.
untuk kemudian juga memberikan edukasi kepada
Iya.
mereka bahwa
Mm-mm.
untuk peran teknologi sendiri dalam jalannya sebuah event itu sebenarnya memberikan kemudahan bagi
Oke.
para event organizer.
Iya.
Jadi dari para event organizer sendiri yang bisa merasakan itu sudah pasti akan lebih mudah kan, pekerjaan yang nggak ribet, jadi lebih simpel,
Betul.
nggak perlu ada antrian panjang, dan dari pihak peserta eventnya pun juga merasakan kemudahan juga dengan
Iya,
adanya
iya,
teknologi kan sekarang kan emang era digital ya.
Betul.
Mbak Wina. Jadi ya mau nggak mau mereka akan terbantu, nggak perlu ribet-ribet bawa undangan fisik, tinggal datang aja, bawa aja smartphone kan nggak mungkin ketinggalan kan di rumah kan, pasti dibawa
Benar,
kemana-mana kan.
benar,
Nah,
benar, benar.
kalau pakai QR tinggal check-in aja, kalau pakai facial recognition tinggal datang aja tunjukin
Wajahnya.
udah selesai langsung masuk.
Jadi,
Jadi memang ya sesimpel itu, teknologi
Sesimpel
memang sangat
itu.
membantu seperti
Yeah,
itu.
and I think this technology make us proud of ourselves. I mean, like
Make a
we
life
are-
easier.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and we are proud because we are being part of the newest or even the most sophisticated technology in
Right.
in this Ticket to You, right?
You can see the amazing face when they scan their face.
Oh
Something
yeah,
print
yeah.
out or the gate open.
Right, right,
The
right.
organizer also will feel their event are a level
More
up.
exclusive,
Yeah,
you know,
exclusive,
more premium,
right,
you
right,
know.
right. Okay.
Different stage lah ibaratnya seperti
Yeah.
itu, Mbak.
The next question is for Fandi. Is it work for event like wedding?
Yeah.
Is it necessary for a wedding? So
We do have this for example, wedding is a kind of, we call it gala dinners.
yeah.
There's a
yeah.
lot of gala dinners, the year-end dinners, the weddings. So when they
Okay.
come to the event, we scan their face or QR. Immediate the screen will show their table number.
Oh,
So,
okay.
You don't need to do anything. Okay, you
Yeah,
are checked
yeah,
in.
yeah,
You show your table
uh-huh.
number. You just walk to your table number, and immediately we also come with our lucky draw system. Whoever checked in, our lucky draw system will
Yes.
just draw whoever inside the hall.
Mhm.
So it's all integrated together. It's,
Yeah.
yeah.
I'm amazed with this kind of technology because I never entered the event or conference using the technology like this. It's so amazing, yeah.
It's been many years.
So meaning to say that we have to eliminate the traditional fishbowl
Yeah,
searching
yeah,
the
yeah,
winner.
yeah.
That one is say, oh, that one is not fair. You know, this is not belongs to you. The grand prize. If you digitalize everything,
Yeah.
it'll be fair to
Jadi malu
everyone.
nih ya kalau ngomongin gitu
Right?
ya.
Udah
Uh,
ketinggalan zaman,
I'm ashamed talking about the old technology.
Yeah.
Ellen, what would you say about the prospect of this technology brought by Ticket to You in Indonesia?
So with this technology, it will be greatly help those event organizers to cut down, especially the post-event consolidation report. So they will cut down the processing time. Then
Yeah.
they know how effective when they are conduct the event, and also with this technology also help them to organize the event even more smoothly and the processing time to cut
Yes.
down. Yeah.
Oke. Dan pendengar Trijaya, kita masih punya satu session lagi ya. We still have one session left. Dan sabar dulu untuk yang pertanyaannya belum terjawab. 104.7 Trijaya FM Surabaya, The Real News and Information. Ini segmen terakhir kita ya. Jadi yang belum tanya, manfaatkan waktu Anda untuk bertanya di sini. Karena juga masih hadir narasumber dari Ticket to You, juga dari Colex Asia. Ada Aaron Lee, Managing Director, Colex Asia, YC founder of Ticket2You, Edward, Event Directing of Ticket2You Malaysia, and also Varia Mainarni, Account Manager Colex. Dan sekali lagi pertanyaannya nggak mesti bahasa Inggris ya, bahasa Indonesia juga boleh. Dan now we continue answering the questions from listeners. This is from Lala. Di Indonesia ada di kota mana saja? Kalau untuk wedding apa ada fitur RSVP-nya? Ini Varia yang mau jelasin ya?
Boleh.
Ya,
boleh.
silakan.
Oke, kalau di Indonesia karena Colex adalah perwakilan dari Ticket2You, Mbak Wina, jadi Colex kan kantornya di Surabaya.
Yeah.
Jadi memang untuk sementara ini masih di Surabaya. Tapi ya mau dimanapun Anda ingin held event
Ya.
di Indonesia, di kota manapun kita bisa.
Oh.
Jadi tidak untuk kemungkinan karena kan sekarang sudah era digital ya, mau
Benar.
kontak kita
Ya.
via media sosial ataupun langsung kontak aja di kontak number kita bisa. Gitu.
So dimanapun event will be held, it's okay for Ticket2You to give this support,
Iya.
right?
Yes. Importantly, depending your budget.
Ya,
Yes.
pasti itu kembali
Oke.
lagi ke sana.
Yeah.
Beda soalnya ya.
Hmm.
Oke, next question is from where?
Oh ya, tadi yang RSVP.
Oh iya, kalau untuk
ya.
wedding bisa ada fitur RSVP-nya juga nggak? Oh masih.
RSVP feature.
RSVP features for the wedding invitation.
Ticket2You already has RSVP feature.
For wedding,
Yeah, for wedding
it's
or
like,
for
it's like gala dinner that we mentioned.
yeah.
So yes, we do have a lot of gala dinners or wedding dinners with table numbers or table. We call it table management systems. So whatever participant detail you have, we give us. We import to the systems. Then we assign the tables. And then once you come to the event, you scan the QR or your face. Immediately you saw your table numbers. So once you are seated on your tables and maybe you are playing on the lucky draws or treasure hunt systems, and then it's all integrated together.
Yes. Okay, next question is from Hendra. Is it can be used for long-term services like for an absence in the office? Bisa dipakai nggak untuk absen
Oh,
di
absence.
kantor? Ya.
Untuk presence,
Yeah.
employee presence. Ya,
Is it possible?
Yes, our facial recognition system also we have been installed to bank. We have I cannot mention the bank yet.
Yes.
Yeah, in certain bank they are using our facial recognition for their staff checking on
Yes.
certain facilities, and they have to book. They have to place booking on certain slots or things to assess the facilities with facial recognition. So once they go, they book, and then they go to the facility and they scan, the door will open, and we recorded everything on the facilities.
Okay, baik. Talking about technology, which Ticket2You has to support the event, I come up with the questions: how about the cost regarding the facilities? Yeah, I imagine that it must be a very big cost to get a support by Ticket2You. What do you guys explain about this?
This is the best part that people always thought facial recognition is a very high technology that
Yes.
very expensive. That is
Yes.
how we can expand faster on this area is because we don't have really high charge on this. You don't need to place any development fees or things.
Okay.
Our charges are as same as how you use QR check-in with us. It's the same. We don't
And
have
the
any extra
device is
charge.
very affordable. You don't
Yeah,
need to
yeah,
spend
yeah.
thousands or millions of dollars to buy those expensive facial recognition system. Just by using your phone, your iPad,
Okay.
all these devices, we can do the recognition system.
Yeah.
Our facial recognition can work on any devices. We built this to save cost,
Yeah.
not to let our client to pay more cost.
Significantly lower down this investment cost.
Yes. Gak mahal ya ternyata ya.
jadi masih
Varia ya.
terjangkau.
Masih
Ya,
terjangkau.
yang pasti ya menyesuaikan budget dari klien tersebut sih, Mbak Wina. Seperti itu.
Okay. Now, some people in Indonesia are not used to using technology in booking a ticket. How Ticket2You give the assistance for the people with the lack, who has the lack of technology?
The assistance. Sebenarnya sih
untuk
dari,
yang mungkin masih nggak biasa, masih gaptek.
iya, kembali dari yang sudah saya jelaskan tadi ya Mbak Wina. Ketika kita mau masuk ke pasar Indonesia, pasti ada beberapa orang itu yang masih punya pemikiran bahwa takut dia,
Iya.
takut ada perubahan. Saya udah nyaman nih
Benar.
pakai cara manual gitu.
Iya, iya.
Kalau mau pakai teknologi tadi
Satu
challenge-nya
mahal ya.
mungkin mahal, mungkin nanti nggak biasa gitu ya,
Betul,
takutnya
malah
nanti
ribet.
Iya, takutnya nanti takut salah atau
Iya,
apa
iya.
gitu. Nah, ada edukasi-edukasi yang coba kita sampaikan ke mereka ya, dalam artian mereka coba dulu
Iya,
experience-nya pakai event management sistemnya kami.
iya, iya.
gitu.
So
Jadi
Tiket
supaya-
to You will give a free
Iya.
trial? Ada free trial?
Kalau free trial enggak sih Mbak. Jadi kami mungkin akan support untuk beberapa event yang menurut kami punya potensi
Oh,
yang
oke.
luar biasa lah ya.
Iya, iya.
Jadi ya tetaplah sama seperti temanya ulang tahunnya MNC Trijaya
Trijaya.
kemarin ya,
Iya.
kan teman
Teman
kolaborasi.
kolaborasi.
Nah, kita berkolaborasi
Mm-mm.
dengan beberapa event organizer ataupun media
Iya,
untuk support beberapa event mereka. Sebenarnya tujuannya adalah yang pertama pasti exposure ya. Kemudian kedua, itu tadi kembali lagi kita coba memberikan semacam experience kepada mereka untuk mencoba dulu. Nah, kalau sudah oke, ternyata nyaman, ternyata bagus juga teknologinya.
Iya, iya, iya.
Nah, why not? Untuk
Oke.
segera mencoba. Karena balik lagi tadi, kemudahannya itu tidak hanya dirasakan oleh si event organizer atau event planner, tapi juga usernya,
Betul.
peserta eventnya.
Betul.
Seperti itu.
Yeah. And now I would like to know about the newest event held by Tiket to You. Can you tell listeners about that tomorrow, right?
Oh ya, untuk di Indonesia, Mbak
Iya.
Wina, jadi besok kebetulan kita ada handle untuk check-in sistemnya event Smada Fiesta, Smada 2022. Itu nanti mulai jam 6 sore ya,
Iya.
open gate. Besok nampaknya di Grand City, di Convex
Iya.
lantai 3. Di situ ada music concert, bintang tamunya ada Dewa, ada Noah gitu ya, dan pasti seru banget ya. Dan kami juga bangga sih bisa support salah satu event yang itu
Besar,
tadi ya,
ya.
dengan bintang tamu yang luar biasa keren ya, ada Dewa dan Noah di dalamnya.
Besok pakai QR atau face
Pakai
recognition?
QR
Oh,
scan.
pakai
Ya.
QR ya.
Mhm.
So, guys, it is very interesting talking about Tiket to You. What would you say more about Tiket to You to listeners?
If you're having any event, first thing, look for Varia. Just Ticket to You Indonesia, send in the live chat, any inquiries.
Okay.
Regardless of how many, I mean, you have a low budget or no worries,
Yeah.
just come and discussion. We make a friend first to understand. Then further, then we can discuss.
We can set up the demo section,
Correct.
experience section. Yeah.
Correct,
Even
correct.
if there's a potential, we also can
Right.
try to do some sponsor.
Right.
Yeah.
Very important.
Yeah. Oh, this is a very interesting questions. Tiket to You has sophisticated technology. Is it possible someday in the future using eye recognition? It would be cool, I think. So it's a challenge for you guys to develop the eye recognition.
Oh.
Eye. Eyes. Eyes.
Iris.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
We will put it in
Yeah.
our plan.
Right. Thanks for suggestion, to the listener.
Challenge for Ticket to You in the future will develop eyes recognition, teeth recognition, I don't know, hair recognition.
but honestly, we do have car plate recognitions for
What is
parking
it?
tickets.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is upcoming products.
Oh, ini yang baru mau.
Means you park your car in a certain building, we
Yes.
recognize your car, immediately you can make payment.
Oh, is it a new product or service?
It's a future product.
future
it's a future
product ya.
product
Tapi
for-
sudah dibocorin ya sekarang
Iya.
ya new produknya ya.
Keren kan pendengar Trijaya? Sih.
Ya, closing statement from Ellen maybe or Varia?
Oke, yang jelas harapannya sih pendengar Trijaya bisa semakin mengenal Tiket to You ke depannya. Kalau mungkin Anda para event organizer, para
Yeah.
event planner yang mau ada rencana bikin event apapun itu, mau gala dinner, mau musik konser, mau produk launching,
Ya.
atau apapun itu, bisa segera menghubungi Tiket to You Indonesia, ya. Bisa langsung DM ke Instagram juga bisa di @ticket2you ticket.idn,
Mhm.
TICKET
Tiket.
2 u.idn,
Mhm.
atau bisa langsung kontak kami
Ya.
di 081 2325 19 777. Jadi langsung
Oke.
aja hubungi kami di situ.
Baik. So guys, thank you for coming to our studio.
Thank you,
It
Ina.
was
Thank you.
very interesting conversation. I wish I could have more time having
Thank you.
Thank
show with you,
you.
but I got to you because I'm amazed about this technology. Thank you, Alan. Thank you, YC. Thank you, Edward, and thank you, Faria. All the best for you ya.
Thank you.
Oke,
Thank
All the
you.
best for together
Okay,
you.
bye.
Terima kasih juga untuk Anda pendengar Trijaya. Saya Wina Alifah setelah ini masih bersama Anda di Trijaya Menyapa.
I know